Today let's check out this ultra rare 1976 Kawasaki KR250. Well, welcome to Bator International. I'm very proud to offer up this just amazingly rare Kawasaki KR250. This is the factory race bike they made back in the mid-70s. As you can see, this one has the 7-speed gearbox, and the engine is an inline 2-cylinder, 2-stroke, water-cooled engine with dual Mikunis coming out the side. The earlier models had a 180-degree crank in them, and I guess they vibrated quite a bit, so they converted them over to the 360-degree. In other words, both pistons are firing at the same time. Made it a much smoother ride. Open clutch. Expansion chambers, obviously. This bike would be a centerpiece for any race bike collection, or if you're a Kawasaki fanatic, this is an absolute must-have. Racers like Duhamel, Greg Hansford, Cork Bellington, others like Anton Mag all raced and won and placed with these bikes. But they're very rare. You never see them available for sale. And I'm very happy to have this one. You can check her out on our website, batorinternational.com, or if you have any questions, you can give me a call, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. And also, if you would, leave some nice comments for us. Thanks for watching.